Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to view the size guide on the Nike application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then scroll down till you find the product that you are interested in, or you can either type it into the search bar by tapping on the search icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the one product that you are interested in, scroll down till you find the size and fit section, tap on size guide, and now you will be directed to nike.com, where you can find the Nike size chart. Accept the cookies, and then you are ready to select from the options at the top of the screen, either the men, women, unisex, or kids or accessories size chart. Tap on the relevant one, the category, and now you are ready to view the size chart at this page. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.